Hello everybody, I am Sundaresan, Senior Application Engineer from Kodi Medical Electronics Private Limited. So today we are going to see the demonstration of fundus camera. It is from Horus company, MIIS, Made Imaging Integrated Solutions from Taiwan. So we have this fundus camera, Horus. Along with this, we do have a 5 megapixel lens. This is known as model DEC 200. We do have a 3.5 inch color LCD display with automatic focus, manual focus, and we can use this holder to charge the device, and also very portable enough. And we do have a software to assess the fundus images with the camera. So now we will see the working of fundus camera with the software application. We do have an application called Image Management Platform. This is the Image Management Platform software. After opening this software, click this yes, entering user ID, and password. Click confirm. It will open the dialog box where we have add or edit diagnosis, entry setup, system setup. Under system setup, you can enter the import images or import from Horus or export report. This is how you can import the images, and this is export PDF. Here you can type your own institution name. So after clicking this save button, we'll have this save success. Now after that, you have to click this add or edit for entering the patient details. On clicking add new patient, you have to type the name of the patient. ID is mandatory. After selecting the gender, click this save button. Create success, and we will use the camera to observe the images. We will see it in the software application. So now we are going to capture the fundus image of the patient. So we do click this plus icon, import image, under which with live view. So the image will be displayed in the camera. So we are going to take the fundus image in the right eye. So before beginning the testing, we are informing the patient to hide the left eye, and after you have to select this right eye, and you have to focus. So we will see this white retinal thing. So you have to just focus it on the right retinal thing. It is under autofocus. You have to, your hand should be firm enough and it not be shaky. This white light will be in there. So after such time, it will capture the image and it will give the display. So the image has been taken. So in the software, we will select this is a right eye and this is the fundus image. I am clicking, and after that we have to press OK to take the left eye. Now I am going to take left eye under manual focus. Both automatic and manual focus is available with the device. So here we have a lens hideout that should be in the covering the eyeballs completely for to not to pass any light. so that we have this black cover. Now we are instruct the patient to hide his right eye and we will take the image. You have to focus and the patient should steadily see without any eye movements, and you have to focus it very clearly. So I can see this eyeball completely. So now I have to click this OK. With firm and steady hands we'll capture the image. So this image will be transferred to the system automatically. So it will also be saved in the device also. So now we will select this save button in left eye fundus. We select this both images. First you have to select this right eye and this is fundus. So these both images have a tick mark, so which indicates these two images are selected, and you have to click save. To save, success will come and I have to click OK. So to export into reports, so we have to click this button. So we have this when you have to give, if you are ophthalmology or retinal surgeon, you can enter all those details mentioned here: BCVA, diopter, astigmatism, IOP, and fundus. This is the two images which we have taken from the camera, and this camera is not able to take your anterior image. It is only fundus camera, and we can export this into reports. So we do have export PDF, export images, and export PDF and images options available. So you can select export PDF and images. I am selecting these two image. You have to select these two image. On clicking this export, and it will ask you the directory to save. Reports. Clicking OK, the export completed. We can obtain the PDF images as well with your institution name, your right eye and left eye. And if you want to add any results, you can add here and give the print to your patients. So thank you for listening the Cody Medical's demonstration of Horus fundus camera.